why people should buy your products and services rather than someone else. In today's video, I'll share with you 3 important distinctions which will help you to identify how your product or services can be much superior than anybody else and you can charge much more money. So listen carefully. Distinction number 1, value. You need to provide a massive value to your potential customers and clients. Because if you'll be selling the same service or same product like everybody else, you'll be like everybody else. You need to become something else. You need to become more valuable for your clients and customers than they can possibly imagine. You need to, as they are saying, over-deliver. If they buy something, they get something else extra. If they hire you for some services, they get something else. They'll get extra what other competition won't be doing. If you will be providing more value than your competitors, of course they'll be buying your products or services because you will be the best. But now let's talk about point number 2, how to actually add value to your products or services, because many people don't know. Many people think they have this product and that's it, they don't see anything else. Let's say you are providing some services, maybe you are doing some class and people should come to your class and pay you an average amount of money they pay, it's £15 an hour of being there. Don't know, can be some martial art class or anything like that. And those people know that there is nothing else they can do. They have a class, 10 people come, they'll make £150. 5 people come, they'll make £75. 20 people will come, they'll make £300. And that's all what they see. But how these people can add value to those people who are coming and how they can boost their sales. So first of all, something what it's very important to learn, it's packaging. Because how many times you have signed up for a class and you have showed up maybe once, maybe twice, and after you never come again. And it wasn't the reason that you didn't have the money to come. The reason was maybe you got lazy. Maybe something came to your life. But if you are able to sell packages, so people will come for the next 3 months, for the next 6 months, for the next year, so this price will be much higher, but it'll be much smaller because you reduce it rather than paying every time they will come in. So they see a benefit of buying it. And if you do, you'll make more money because you'll make bigger sale. And do you know what? Sometimes the person will show up and sometimes the person won't show up, but it's okay because the person already paid. So it doesn't matter for you how many times they will show up, but also for them it's good because if they paid, they have tendency to show up and they have the tendency to work on themselves, and it's better for you because if they'll be showing up every week, every 2 weeks on your classes because they bought this product, guess what? They'll start seeing results on their body of what they are doing, and what will happen, and other people will be asking to this person, what is it you are doing? Are you doing something different? You are in a much better condition, you are in much better shape. What are you doing? Yeah, I've signed up for the classes with this gym or with this martial club, and I've signed up for a full year, so now I go and they are amazing. They have all the other great things in there which I can use, and I've never been in a gym like that before. You want to come? And this person will come as well. Which brings me to the point number 3, which is referrals. If you want to boost your sales, if you want to be better with your pricing, referrals are super important. And the referrals will only happen if you provide a great value and great service to your clients. And in order for you to provide the best potential value is that they will actually show up, right? So you need to make it easy for them. If you make it easy for them, you'll make irresistible offers so they have no way to not sign up for you for this 3, 6 months or whatever you want. So they'll be showing up. If they will be showing up, they'll see a result on themselves. They will tell others, other people will come, and your business will be growing and growing and growing. These are 3 very simple things you can start doing right now in your business. You don't need to wait for anything else. You can just apply them from today. The next class you have, the next services you are selling, the next product you are selling, don't sell per hour, don't sell per product, don't sell per project, sell package for longer term and show them the additional benefits and additional value. And I would encourage you, if you sign up someone for 3 months or 6 months to work with you, it can be even like me for coaching, or it can be for classes, I said. It can be even if you are a barber or hairdresser, don't wait, they will show up again and they will give you another £20 if you'll come for a haircut. No, sign them up and tell them, do you know what, how many times do you come here? Every month. Okay, so every month you pay £20, is that right? Yeah. So over the period of year, you will spend £240 in here. Yes, that's correct. So what about, I will give you a deal. If you pay me today £200, you have 2 cuts for free, and you have for a whole year, you don't need to worry about paying, because you will pay £200 right now. And also I can give you and this and this and this, and you can maybe you can add them some more services, and they will see that you are giving them a massive value, and they'll be talking about you with the friends. If they'll ask you like, do you know what, I've been just with the barber and I've saved myself 2 haircuts over the years, so I've saved £40, and now I can invite you all for a beer, and it's all £40 is gone anyway. But I hope it makes sense. And in the end, if you know any business owners who might be struggling with pricing and with increasing their value, I'll ask you to do one thing. Just share the video with them. That's all what I'm asking. Have a great day.